Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Binance account, deposit funds, and start futures trading in a way that even beginners can easily follow. I will explain everything step by step in a simple way so that anyone can follow without difficulty. First, let's go over how to sign up for a Binance account. Before getting started, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is finished, open the Binance application. On the home screen, tap the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Choose whether you want to register using your email address or mobile number. Be sure to check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions. Then tap Continue to proceed to the next step. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the verification code in the input field. Next, set up a secure password for your account. Your password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and be at least 8 characters long. After creating your password, a referral confirmation screen will appear. At this step, make sure to select Yes. Once selected, a referral code input field will be displayed. Enter the referral code SKY333 in the provided field. By entering this code, you can receive a 20% trading fee discount along with bonus rewards. For this reason, it is essential to enter the code before completing your registration. Now, let's move on to the KYC identity verification process. Binance requires this verification to enable deposits, trading, and withdrawals. First, select your nationality from the list. Then choose the type of identification you will submit. You will see several document options on the screen. For most users, a passport is typically the most convenient option. After preparing your document, tap Take Pictures. Align your passport within the frame and capture a clear image. Next, proceed to the facial verification step. Follow the instructions shown on the screen carefully. Once all steps are completed, your verification request will be submitted. The review typically takes about 1 hour. After approval, your account status will be updated to verified. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator for additional security. Return to the main dashboard. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right corner. Navigate to the Security section. Select Authenticator app from the list. Tap Enable to start the setup process. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. You will now see the Authenticator setup screen. Copy the 16-digit setup key displayed on the screen. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After opening the application, tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. In the key field, paste the 16-digit code you copied earlier. Tap Add to complete the setup. A 6-digit verification code will now be generated in the app. Copy this 6-digit code. Return to the Binance app and enter the code in the Authenticator app code field. Carefully enter the code in the correct field. Once confirmed, the security setup will be completed. To start futures trading, switch to Pro mode. Go back to the main home screen again. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. If you see the Binance Pro option, select it to enable Pro mode. Secondly, let's walk through how to deposit funds using the peer-to-peer trading method. Tap the Assets icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. The Futures wallet is specifically used for futures trading. The Spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. Select Spot from the menu options. Then tap the Add Funds button. On the next screen, various deposit methods will be displayed. In this tutorial, we will use the peer-to-peer deposit option. Now tap the icon in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the local currency you want to use for the payment. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In most cases, USDT is the preferred choice. Tap the button to continue to the next step. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you plan to buy. Press the button again to proceed. Please select a payment method. A list of available sellers will be shown on the screen. For safety, it is recommended to choose sellers with high ratings and many completed transactions. Select a seller from the list, and tap the Buy button. Keep in mind that some sellers may require additional verification. Enter the exact amount you wish to purchase for this transaction. Before proceeding, carefully review the seller's information. If everything looks correct, tap Place Order to continue. After placing the order, the seller's bank account details will be displayed. Before making the payment, open the chat and review the seller's instructions carefully. When sending the payment, double-check the account name and account number. Now transfer the funds using your preferred payment method. Once the payment has been completed, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload a clear screenshot or receipt as proof of payment. After uploading, check the confirmation box at the bottom. Then tap Transferred and select Notify Seller to inform the seller. The USDT will be released shortly and automatically credited to your spot wallet. Finally, I will walk you through how to trade on Binance Futures step by step. Before placing any futures trades, you must transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. First, open your spot wallet. Inside the spot wallet, tap the transfer button to begin. Set the transfer direction from spot wallet to USDM futures. Next, select the asset you want to move. Then enter the amount you would like to transfer. After a short moment, the funds will appear in your futures wallet. To access the futures trading interface, tap the Futures tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. The Binance Futures trading screen will now be displayed. In the top left corner, tap the Trading Pair section to choose your market. For this example, I will select the BTC-USDT pair. Next, check the margin mode according to your trading strategy. In cross-margin mode, your total balance is shared across all open positions. In isolated margin mode, only the margin assigned to that position is used. For beginners, isolated mode is usually recommended for better risk control. Now, set the leverage for your position. Binance allows leverage of up to 150x. While higher leverage can increase potential profits, it also greatly increases risk. If you are new to trading, it is advisable to start with lower leverage. Next, decide the direction of your trade based on your market expectation. If you expect the price to rise, tap Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to fall, tap Sell to open a short position. Here, you can check the available margin for your trade. Below that, choose the order type that fits your strategy. You can select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the desired price and quantity for your order. If you expect the price to increase, tap Buy Long to place your order. If you expect the price to decrease, tap Sell Short to place your order. By tapping the Positions tab at the bottom, you can monitor your open positions in real time. ROI represents the current percentage of profit or loss on your position. Entry price refers to the average price at which your position was opened. Mark price indicates the real-time reference price of the market. Liquidation price is the level at which your position will be forcibly closed. To manage your risk more efficiently, tap TPSL to configure take profit and stop loss settings. When you decide to exit the trade, tap the Close button. You can choose to close your position at the current market price, or place a limit order at your preferred price. Enter the price and quantity for closing the position. Then tap Confirm to proceed. Once the process is completed, your position will be fully closed. Today, we went through the entire process of setting up a Binance account and trading futures, designed especially for beginners. Each step was presented in a simple and organized manner so that anyone could follow without difficulty. If you encountered any issues or have questions while watching, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you sincerely for watching until the end.